Hello guys, good morning. This is part 2 of preliminary examination. In this video, I will cover the important topics and strategies to crack preliminary examination in 1 month. Okay, let's watch it. Okay, let's see the most important topics for aptitude. This includes data interpretation or sufficiency, which usually carries 10 to 15 marks. Quadratic equations 5 marks, simplifications 5 marks, number series 5 marks, percentages, age related problems, ratio and proportions. This may carries 3 to 5 marks. Okay, if you are perfect with these topics, you will get 30 marks out of 50, which is far more than previous year cutoff. Previous year aptitude cutoff is 5.25. So if you are thorough with these topics, you can qualify for sure. Now let us see the important topics for reasoning. It includes sitting arrangement, which may carry 10 to 15 marks, syllogisms 5 marks, inequalities 5 marks, coding decoding may carry 3 to 5 marks, blood relation may carry 3 to 5 marks, and directions may carry 3 to 5 marks. So if you are thorough with these topics, you may get a minimum of 29 marks. And previous year cutoff for reasoning is 7 marks. So be thorough with these topics. When comes to English, the paper is only for 25 marks, and the important topics are reading comprehension, which may usually carries 5 marks, close test 2.5 marks, parajumbles 2.5 to 3 marks, error spotting 2.5 marks, and previous year cutoff for English section is 3.25 marks. The cutoffs I mentioned in this video are for OBC category. For STSC, the cutoff will be 1 mark less than this, and for open category, the cutoff may be 1 or 2 marks more than this. Before going to discuss the strategy, please make note that preliminary examination is only qualifying nature and its marks are not calculated for provisional allotment. Previous year overall cutoff for preliminary examination is 36.5 for general category. Okay guys, now let us discuss the strategy to crack prelims in first attempt. I divided the strategy into two parts. One is for quant and reasoning, another strategy is for English. First step in strategy for quant and reasoning includes learning the basics like tables up to 20, squares and cubes up to 20, and BODMAS basic calculations, and some basic speed mathematics tricks. These are very important and this can be done within 2 or 3 days. After getting the knowledge about the basics, just go to the concept of important topics that I have already mentioned in this video. You can get these topics in YouTube, and I am also planning to do some videos on the important topics. Other important thing is make notes on the important topics. It will be helpful for you for quick revision just before the exam. After gaining the knowledge on important topics, start writing mock tests. Attempting mock test is very important in banking exams. Writing mock test, you can reduce the time of problem solving and your problem solving ability also increases. Writing the mock test, just go to the question paper and see where you have done the mistakes and try to reduce that mistakes in your next mock test. Let us see strategy for English. English plays a key role in almost all competitive exams. Most of the students will not qualify in English section. So strategy for English is very important. As I mentioned, it has 30-day strategy, but it is not applicable for English section. To qualify in English, you have to make hobby of reading Hindu newspaper editorial every day, and you should also watch web series so that your language can be improved. Your vocabulary also increases. Apart from this, you have to practice reading comprehension daily, and you should also write mock tests and attend explanation of that mock test. Also learn basic English grammar. Please note that these important topics will help you to qualify the exam but not to top the exam. As prelims is only qualifying nature, these topics are more than enough to qualify in it. But please be thorough with the concepts and write mock tests. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe for more updates.